Good morning, everyone. Josh over here, AZ 4runner parts. Got the newest 4runner in. Before, I think my last video that was online, I had a couple frames in here, a V8 frame over here, and then I had a V6 that I was working on in the garage. So those are both gone. And then now we have a 2003, I believe, V8 4x4 Sport Edition. It's got the sport hood. It's got the faded, well, probably just maybe dirty. Well, that's kind of super dirty. Had a bad wire harness, and brake booster had already been sold on this thing, and the guy just did not want to continue dealing with it. His wife wanted it gone. So this is, obviously private sale. Does have some rust. As you can see, these radiator support are just toast on this thing. Wait until you see passenger side here. Crazy bad. So this is the latest part out. I did have some other content that I'm definitely bummed about, because I was helping a buddy of mine strip down a vehicle, and I basically took off the whole entire top shell with all the seats and carpet and dashboard and everything that was inside that thing. Completely gone, top removed, sent it off to scrap so he could just get it gone. And then we came back the next weekend and got all of the driveline stuff removed and separated. So transmission, engine, transfer case, drive shaft, front diff, just got everything taken off for him. So that is kind of a little bit bummed out, definitely, because I had my GoPro set up and it just did not record for the intervals that I was really hoping for. I had fully charged batteries, things were kind of plugged in, but it like stopped at like 11 minutes and it just wouldn't go any further. So I think it might be something in the settings or maybe the SD card that I have. So a little bit of research I'll have to do on that, and then hopefully we can get another type of video for you guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to recover anything from that, unfortunately. And then I'm also trying to figure out how I can merge videos. So not my really expertise, guys. I'm doing all this solo, but I guess we'll learn as we go. So V8, 175,000 miles on this guy. Interior on this thing is gorgeous. Check this out. It's a darker gray interior. I don't have the little plug-in for the light right now, but darker gray interior, no rips. Only downside on the driver's seat, there's no rips on it, but in this little pocket corner, it's missing a little bit of foam for whatever reason. I'm not sure how that happens. Maybe it just got pushed aside or something. But no rips on any of the rear seats. These are the rear bottoms, already removed. Beautiful seats. Working center console with the cup holder divider and everything. Everything on that is working, not sticking. It's very, very nice and well taken care of in here. Carpet is excellent condition in here as well. Tires on this thing are 16s, newer Goodyears. Good tread, good tires. If you guys are local and interested in any of that, let me know. They are 16s, so they're not super popular. I do have some of the other parts on this thing that came with it. He was going to put a new starter on there. That came with it. So that's a reman starter. There's just a ton of good parts in here, guys. Back glass already sold. Rear spoiler. Great tailgate. I mean, tailgate is amazing condition. And I really like the color pattern, too, of the silver on the galactic gray with the silver door handles. I don't know if they changed that, but that really I like that. With the silver roof rack, I don't know if that was an option. I haven't seen that before. Usually they're like black. Like a faded black. But yeah, it looks really nice. Let me know what you guys are looking for. And if I can ship it, we'll get it out. Biggest thing I've shipped so far is a fender, and I will also be getting ready to ship out some other parts that I gotta finish cutting up for a client that's going over to Canada. So we'll get that handled, and if you guys need anything, let me know. I got 2 sport hoods in stock in Galactic Gray. Got a nice grill, nice hood latch. There's a lot of good parts on this thing. Have a great day, guys. Happy New Year.